Laifug Indoor Large Multi-Feature Wooden Cat House 47.2 in Cat Condo on Wheels / Wood Cat House Shelter. Multifunctional cat house. The cat villa is divided into 4 areas: cat rest area, cat play area, cat dining area and toilet area. 47 inches x 24 inches x 24 inches cat villa is suitable for living 1 to 2 cats. High quality cat house. This cat villa is made of natural pine wood, which is non-toxic, harmless and odorless. The thickness of the wooden board is 1.5 centimeters to make the entire cat villa strong and stable. The surface has been manually polished repeatedly for 20 times. The touch is comfortable and will not harm your cat. Intimately designed house. The door of the cat villa is made of acrylic material, high definition, transparent, allowing you to observe the cat. Spacious space is comfortable and breathable, allowing your cat to move easily. Built-in handle, latch and self-priming device. The bottom is equipped with 4 TPE silent universal wheels. You can move and brake.